Hello and welcome to another rather special episode of Danny's Wonderful World of Wheels. Nearly 20 years ago, I swapped one of my Vespas for an old classic 1970 Fiat 500. In the last 20 years, it's been rolled on its side, caught fire, basically has had a lot of the old metal fall out of the bottom of it because it's just old and rusty. And I've spent like 15 years doing a little patch here and a little patch there, but the time came towards the end of last year when I decided it was really time to do a proper job on Sammy. I've met this guy, Uncle Frank, you're going to meet him, and he's been looking after Sammy for the last, I don't know, it's 9 months or so, and we're going to see how things are coming along. Uncle Frank! What's all this then? I just thought that we should introduce you to my fan. And here's Sammy! Oh look, Frank!
Yes. Look.
So basically what, all of this you've rebuilt, haven't you?
Everything, all this is new.
All under the sills, door.
The sills, yes. Inside the seals, there you go.
Bonnet's all smooth.
Perfect fitting as well. Look at that.
Oh, that used to be a two-handed job to open that. So here you can see what Frank's been up to. Look at that hole in that.
Yeah, but I'm going to make that hole tomorrow. And then carry on with that. I was just putting the brake pad on that other one. Yeah.
So the car was like riddled with this stuff. Have a look at all of this. If I'd left it a lot longer to come and see you, mate, it would have all been finished.
It's already been finished, mate. It would have been finished. I made this new piece and look at the hole there. You see those two little holes?
Yeah.
I put that back. I made sure. And there's a pipe that comes out underneath here. And here and the water goes in there. And that's why it got rusted. Dents done, that's done.
Yeah, people right sitting on the roof there.
Yeah. So all I've got to do is take this door out.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
And the inside. Right, I'll show you. This will be going
and
here.
The wheels?
There. Like that.
Yeah.
Right, so I'll be cutting this. You don't need all this. If it's good metal, this is all good metal. So I'm putting another piece that goes from there down to there. Alright?
All new.
I've got a new piece.
And this all, you'll cut all of that out, will you?
Cut all of that out. You don't put it over, you can't. This is not going over, this will be cut. And then that will be cut as well. Because I've got to weld in there a piece.
And this is all coming out, is it?
No, I'm putting a new piece from here to here and a new piece there. This is good. Can you see it's good? Don't disturb good metal. No point in making work for myself.
Absolutely not. There's enough there.
No, that's good, mate. See that big hole there in the
Sammy.
corner?
Yeah.
Massive hole.
This one. Is that what we've got ordered? Because this is where all caught fire. When the engine caught fire, all of this just crimpled. But it's really coming on. Last time I was here, there was a lot of holes in this car.
I've already got the paint. Everybody loves this place because it's original.
Not a white glove in sight. Uncle Frank.
74, I can still do it.
74 years old,
Yeah.
still having it large.
Yes.
Tell us some of the things that you told me and Kate what you used to do.
Yeah, I had the band. You saw the photographs, didn't you?
I did.
I'll show you the photographs.
I heard the record.
You've heard the record, yeah.
Yeah.
But sorting out Sammy is my highlight, and music is my highlight, and cooking.
Cooking.
Cooking, man.
I've got to have a curry off of you.
Yes.
When this is painted,
Yeah.
I'm driving it to Marco and his mate is going to do the engine.
And once you've done the engine, you're sorted. Well, you can put disc brakes back in the front.
If I was going
But then
to...
if you're going to do that, you're going to race it, and then this doesn't shut, it stays like that.
yeah, like the old
For the
Abarth
air.
ones.
Yeah, like the Abarth. Not Abarth,
Abarth. I'm so sorry, Uncle Frank.
Speak the English.
So tomorrow I'm going to go to Ricambio.
When you come the next time, I'll have the smoothers here.